Can you clearly see this stick in my hand? What is this stick? What are the benefits of this stick and why I'm holding this? I'm going to share with you very important information. Once you understood this, you will be having mastery over your sun energy and moon energy. You will be having mastery over your each actions, mental state and physical control you get. This is not a simple stick. This stick called Yog Dund. You might have seen many times in India, this stick is carried by many yogis. Sometimes they hang their water pot in it. Sometimes they carry this stick every time with them. Sometimes they do mantra jap, mantra sadhana by using this stick. This stick is not to protect them. This stick is not to hit any animal. This stick to change the energy flow in your body. And very important if you are a meditative sadhak, if you are pranayam sadhak. People sometimes ask me that while doing pranayam, my right nostril is blocked. My energy is not flowing properly. What to do? I'm going to explain you today what you can do. If you don't have this stick, but still you can change the energy flow, how? You'll be understanding in this video. So, Vedic scriptures claim Yat Pinde Tat Brahmande. Yat Brahmande Tat Pinde. It means whatever is in universe outside is in within you. It means the sun and moon energy which are present outside in this universe, your body, your universe also carries the same energy. That's why you are linked with the universe. You are not separate from the universe. And once you realize that you are linked with this universe, you start having complete mastery, complete control over your physical body, mental body, and the actions which are influenced by these two energies. Your right nostril represents sun energy. Your left nostril represents moon energy. It means whenever your right nostril is open, at that time, your sun energy is dominant, your fire element is dominant. Whenever the left nostril is open, it means your moon energy is dominant, your water element is dominant. And once you realize this and you link your actions based on these two energies, you will see that day this action will manifest better. But some days you are doing so many work, but nothing is done. Nothing gives you complete results, desired fruit. Why? Because maybe your actions are not very connected with the energy. Maybe you need such tool to work with yourself. Have you ever noticed that sometimes you eat food and the next morning or next day your food is not digested? Though you ate food without any disturbance, your body was not sick, but still the food is not digested. Why? Because at that time when you ate food, your fire element in your body was not active. And you ate without that activation of fire. Imagine you want to burn the wood and there's no fire and you want to burn it. How it can possible? You need to use that fire element to burn this wood. Similarly, you need to use that fire element to digest the food, to burn the food. You need to activate that fire. Some days, you want to create something. You want mental state. You want to have future plan. Or you are creating some movies. You are creating some videos. And you need that certain state of mind. But still no any ideas are coming in your mind. Why? Because right now, the ideas which are supposed to come is not having the energy which is responsible for those ideas. Moon energy. Moon energy gives you power of intuition. Moon energy gives you power of mind. Moon controls the mind state. Moon balances the water element. Your ideas are not flowing like a water because right now your left nostril, which is responsible for moon energy to be active in your body, is not active. So yogis, they used to always think which energy is dominant. And based on the energy, they used to choose the actions. For example, you are feeling very hungry and you want to eat food and you don't want to get sick. You want this food to be digested properly. You want this food to give you complete benefits. And in your body, your fire element is weak. How to know this fire element is weak? Check the nostril. So close one nostril like that. Few breathing from the left side and you will understand what is the flow and the speed of breath from the nose. You close the other nostril and see the flow of the right nostril. See the speed. You will understand which nostril is having soft flow and which nostril is having heavy speed. Means the breath is running more easily where? Right nostril or left. If it is right nostril, it means right now you can eat. It means right now your fire element is dominant. Right now the sun energy is dominant. But if some days you want to eat food, but the left is open, right is blocked, then this danda can help you. So what you have to do that day to activate the right nostril, you use this Yog Dund under the left armpit here. and stay here for at least 3 to 5 minutes. And after 3 to 5 minutes, with this pressure, you are leaning there actually. With this pressure, you will start noticing the right nostrils start working. Have you ever noticed that when you have a cold and nostrils are blocked, for example, right nostril is blocked and you are leaning on the left side, right nostril start opening. Or if the left nostril is blocked, you are leaning on the right side, left nostril start opening. What is this happening? Because there are many nadis which goes from the side body controls the right nostril, which goes to the other side of the body control the left nostril. And these two nostrils controls the right and left hemisphere, right and left brain. So by pressing, by using this Yog Danda, you can change the energy flow, and yogis used to do this. That's why they used to be successful in every actions. Their actions are perfect. Perfection in actions. Yoga karmashu kausalam. You also can do the same. Now the question is, I don't have this Yoga Danda. What can I do? There's another technique also. First of all, if possible, buy this Yoga Dand. Because sometimes in pranayam, you want to do pranayam, nadi shodhan pranayam. Inhale left nostril, exhale right nostril. But imagine your left nostril is blocked. How you will inhale? How you will breathe in? It means that day this pranayam is not giving you the complete benefit. But you want to have this benefit. So you should have this Yog Dand in your home. This Yog Dand is very powerful because it carries the power of universe. So if you place this Yog Dand in your home after doing some ritual, this protects the home also. And also it helps you to change the energy flow. Because the pressure is created by Yog Dand can change the flow. So some days in Nadi Shodhan, your left nostril is blocked, place it under the right armpit. Stay, wait 2 to 3 minutes. You will see that your left nostril start working. Sometimes this 2 to 3 minutes will not work. Maybe it will take more time. Why? Because maybe your energy body is weak. Maybe your body is sick. At that day, it goes more than 5 minutes. But if your body is completely fine, no any problem, just a change of the flow of energy, then quickly 3 to 5 minutes, in between this time, your nostril will change the flow, and then you can do desired actions. If you want to eat food, check the right nostril. Is it working or not? If it is not working, don't eat. Wait. Do this Yoga Danda exercise and then place 2 to 3 minutes. Right nostril is working. Now the sun energy is dominant. Eat and digest. You want to sleep, but sleep is not coming. It means left nostril is blocked. Your moon energy is blocked. So now start placing the armpit, this Yoga Danda under the right armpit, and then start meditating on the left nostril. You will notice that your left nostril is active. And then the sleep is coming. That is the power of this Yoga Dand. Now the question is, I don't have Yoga Dand, what to do? In that case, you can use one pose called padadhirasana. Placing the right hand under the left armpit controls the right nostril flow. It will start opening your right nostril. If you use the same technique by placing the left hand under the right armpit and pressing it strongly, waiting 3 to 5 minutes, you will notice left nostril is active. This is how you can use this Yoga Danda power to change the flow. And once the flow is changed, you can do desired actions. But if you do actions against the energy flow, you will notice that day all the actions will not manifest with full power. There's some problem will remain there. You will not be fully satisfied with the actions or with the results. And therefore, I'm telling you, use this technique. Practice pranayam regularly so that this nostril can be balanced. Because if you practice regular pranayam and asana practice, your nostrils start balancing naturally. You don't need any yoga then later. You can just, by concentrating, you can change the energy flow and live your life properly. Join our regular yoga sadhana where you are learning pranayam, meditation, asana, proper technique, traditional way. Bring yogic power in your life and live happily. If the energies are not balanced, disease, sickness, mental or physical will start attacking you. And you will be always searching for solutions. Sometimes to the doctors, sometimes to some yogis. Become your own yogis. Allow these yogic techniques and power of yoga to change, to transform your life for better. I hope you understood the power of this Yoga Dand. Utilize this power and share this information to people. Help them to transform their life. I'll see you again in the next video. Namaste.